subordinate judiciary in consultation with the Chief Justice of the concerned High Court. So how can somebody impose it? Suppose even you write to the Chief Justice, then it's his discretion whether he wants to spare a judicial officer or officers or not.
Yes. In fact, what we did was, we did write to all the 5 honorable Chief Justices of the High Courts, different letters.
Are they on record?
जी, they are on the record.
दिखाएं?
कब लिखा आपने बताइए?
The first one is the Lahore High Court. It's at page 208. Letter was dated 1st of February 2023, in February, my lord. And there was a clear regret.
Where is it?
Where is the regret?
It's at page 208. There are 2 letters of Lahore High Court. The reply is at page 210 of the paper.
You wrote as far back as 1st of February?
Yes, my lord. Because the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab was...
फिर बताएं फिर कब है?
फिर my lord 210 पे 210 पे page 210 पे letter of regret है.
जरा पढ़ दें.
जी my lord. मैं take your lordship to 211 पे.
नहीं, regret में जो reasons दिए हैं as we speak.
जी, there was a shortage of judicial staff and all that.
पढ़ लेना.
It's para 2.
Para 1.
जी जी.
Para 2-1.
Para 2-1. As we speak, a huge number of cases totaling 13,12,480 are pending adjudication in the courts of district and session judge, additional district and sessions judges, senior civil judges, and civil judges throughout Punjab. And if services of majority of these officers are given as district returning officers and returning officers at the disposal of Election Commission of Pakistan, this pendency will mount to by many-fold. And the ultimate sufferers will be the poor litigants, resultantly hampering the entire scheme and system of dispensation of justice at the grassroots level, and this cannot be afforded compromise at the cost of delay in justice and aggravating nuisance of the human right.
But if this letter is already in the field, then the petitioner does not want elections.
मैं उस पे अर्ज कर देता हूँ.
If the Chief Justice, the Lahore High Court, the others have also declined or not?
Out of 5, the Islamabad High Court did not respond. We wrote in September and October to all the others. The Peshawar High Court said कि go to that's the judicial policy. आप वहाँ से जाके clarification लें. They did not agree to accede to our request. Balochistan High Court initially agreed, but later on the learned registrar said that no, we cannot provide. This was as near as the 2 weeks back. And Sindh High Court, just like Lahore High Court का एक और superseding letter है वो मैं अभी पढ़ता हूँ. They said कि नहीं, जब आप election program issue करेंगे फिर हमें request भेजिएगा. तो इलेक्शन प्रोग्राम तो बिल्कुल एट द वर्ज आता है. हमने AROs और DROs की ट्रेनिंग तो पहले करनी है.
वो तो पहले होती है. नहीं तो फिर इसका मतलब है कि your first choice was judicial officer, but the high courts did not agree. And for valid reasons, because you hold election and the litigant then suffers. And
that 1.5 months.
There is also another aspect, because I remember the elections when we did give judicial officers, and this was, I think, when I was Chief Justice of Balochistan, then the allegations invariably, and we also do judicial work, then the same matter may come before us in a judicial forum, because election tribunals are also judicial officers. So it could be argued that, this is a job, we have a clearly separation of powers of the executive, the judiciary, the legislature. We forget one important pillar, which is the election commission. But it's not a part of the executive, it's not a part of the judiciary, it's on its own.
We are a federal institution, but our constitutional body on its own, not under any.
Yes, so your choice was not, the first choice was not, you didn't appoint yourself.
No, my lord.
You asked the judiciary.
We were constrained.
And the judiciary, basically this, in Punjab, there is a clear-cut no.
Clear-cut no. Uske baad, in October, there was another letter.
Then I'm just thinking, how can the learned judge suspend an order? He will issue a writ against the High Court.
That's one of our grounds.
No, then the learned single judge has passed an order.
The learned single judge.
And he will direct the Chief Justice to provide officers. When can a writ be issued against the High Court? So what sort of relief do they want? Or they don't want elections? Where is this
prima
Mr.
facie-
No, where is this Mr. Niazi? I mean, if one person is going to hold Pakistan to ransom, I mean, he's just one individual. And he says, I'm so and so.
No other political party has come forward to challenge this
Political
appointment.
parties,
There are
the political parties are in the business of elections. So why would they
they
challenge
want
it?
an election.
And this one political party says, I don't want elections. But it was the very same political party whose petition I decided.
Yes, we have attached that 3rd of November's order along with this petition.
But usme to the election, why didn't they say those things then? It was represented before us, if I remember correctly, by
Ali Zafar.
yes,
Mr. Ali Zafar was representing Pakistan.
there was no such demand or suggestion, and we kind of got the order. This appears to be, I don't know if it's bona fide petition or not.
My lord, in fact, with due respect to the learned single judge, there's not even a single ground which
let's
says
read-
it's ultra
Really, let the
vires.
read
Which
the order.
provision is ultra vires of?
Ye kidhar hai? Where is your?
My lord, the order starts at page 10.
Let's read the operative part.
G,
because-
page
sorry.
12, my lord.
Page 12.
At page 12, para 4.
नहीं ये तो legally under challenge है. But what have they? What
These are the
No, no.
discussions.
Can you read paragraph 7?
My lord, then we go to the speaking part, which is para 7 and 8.
नहीं 7 पढ़ें.
G, 7. Keeping in view the importance of the legal interpretation of the constitutional provision having legal effect deeply connected to the raised national issue.
Where is the constitution provisions? There's no constitution.
There is no. The whole
Yeah,
order
okay,
is
but,
silent as to which
I don't know. Let's read it further.
having legal effect deeply connected to the raised national issue, office is directed to place this file before the Honorable Chief Justice for constitution of a larger bench. Page,
But
para
he is
eight.
not passed in an order.
My lord, these are the reasons, para 5, 6 and
8 में क्या कहते
8 is the suspension order. Notice, meanwhile, the notification dated Sare ke Sare 11 December 2023 issued by the Election Commission of Pakistan appointing the DROs, ROs, assistant returning officers from executive shall remain suspended. Shall remain suspended. So there is a complete
One second, I fail to understand. If a judge is passing an order for constitution of a larger bench, then judicial propriety demands that he stays his hand.
yes.
Now, how can then he pass an order? Either he passes an order and doesn't say the matter be placed before the Chief Justice. Then the Chief Justice has been given a fait accompli. You do what I ask you to do.
In
So
fact,
either you request the Chief Justice of the Constitutional Larger Bench, or you don't make this request and you just proceed with the matter.
yes, my lord.
So, has the larger bench been constituted?
It has been constituted for Monday.
Who is heading the larger bench?
The very honorable judge.
The same judge.
The same judge.
2 other judges.
And five-member bench.
This is very strange. So what is the purpose of this petition?
In fact, what has
No, let's look it logically.
my lord?
Now, who have you appointed? Have you appointed people of some political party as ROs or DROs?
No, my lord.
Who have you appointed?
These are there's a
Show us.
mix.
नहीं एक पे चलते हैं ना.
My lord.
There are 4 notifications.
जी.
Let's take the first one.
Notifications are at
No, in the
page
order it is.
27.
Yeah, no, one at a time करें.
My lord. It
Page?
starts at page 27, my lord. The notification.
This is for DROs.
These are DROs.
अच्छा, 11th of
So
December.
notifications all across the country have been
It's
suspended?
all across the
In
country.
Sindh and Balochistan also?
My lord, this notification is across the country. This
How many
notification-
DROs in the country? कितने DROs appoint हुए?
Per district, every district
कितने हैं
has
total कितने हैं सारे?
85. This is
अच्छा ये पहला वाला देखिए. अच्छा, I'm told it's 144.
it gives a total number, my lord.
ये इन्होंने शायद हिसाब लगा लिया.
ये जरा कैलकुलेट कर लें कि DROs और AROs टोटल कितने हैं ऑल पाकिस्तान?
Total is 148 DROs.
नहीं टोटल AROs
All over the
DROs ऑल ओवर पाकिस्तान कितना है टोटल फिगर?
EROs is 148.
148
और आरओज कितने
AROs हैं AROs हैं
चलिए आप इनको हिसाब लगा के देखें, ऐसे बातें ना करें, कागज के
टोटल
टुकड़े
फिगर दे देना हमें टोटल फिगर
गिन के बताइए।
859 आरओज।
अच्छा नहीं, हम जरा इनके नाम देखना चाहते हैं किसको आपने अपॉइंट किया है। ये रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर पेज 27 पे कौन है ये लोग? पेज 27 पे आपने पहला बताया ना ये
दिस इज द रिजर्व सीट वाला नोटिफिकेशन।
तो देना कौन है DROs किसके ये रिश्तेदार?
These are from our own offices.
पढ़ देना, डेजिग्नेशंस पढ़ देना, नाम ना पढ़ें।
मोहम्मद फरीद अफरीदी, एडिशनल डायरेक्टर जनरल इलेक्शंस 1, इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान।
तो ये तो चैलेंज भी नहीं हुआ और सस्पेंड हो गया।
ये तो सारे आपके अपने
ये तो हमारे अपने हैं।
हमने चैलेंज ही नहीं किया पिटिशनर।
नहीं किया
उसने तो खाली कहा था कि सिर्फ जो एग्जीक्यूटिव्स
देयर वाज अ CM फाइल, उसके अंदर ने कहा कि ये वाला भी इंक्लूड करें।
इवन दो द वायरीज इज ओनली चैलेंज।
तो फिर आप भी इलेक्शन ना कराएं, एग्जीक्यूटिव भी ना इलेक्शन कराएं, ऑफिसर भी ना इलेक्शन कराएं।
चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ पाकिस्तान के सरबराही में समाअत जारी है। यहाँ वक्त ब्रेक का।